The 2025 NFL draft class has only just landed, and some of these rookies are already lighting up the field at Minicamp. From breakout wide receivers to franchise quarterbacks, here are 10 rookies turning heads before preseason even begins. Cam Ward was drafted to be the face of the Titans, and early signs look promising. Ward's poise in the pocket and deep ball accuracy have already impressed Tennessee's coaching staff. If Minicamp is any indication, the Titans might finally have their guy. Travis Hunter is doing what only Travis Hunter can, taking reps at both wide receiver and cornerback. He's making highlight plays on both sides of the ball, and coaches are calling him a once-in-a-generation athlete. The Jaguars got a true weapon. Abdul has exploded onto the scene in New York. The Giants' first-round edge rusher is blowing past linemen with raw speed and power. Coaches say he's ahead of schedule, and he might already be their best pass rusher. Campbell is a monster at left tackle, and the Patriots wasted no time throwing him into the mix. Scouts raved about his strength and technique at LSU. Now he's anchoring Drake May's blind side like a seasoned vet. Mason Graham is dominating the trenches in Cleveland. He's a relentless force inside, drawing double teams already. The Browns see him as the next great interior disruptor, and he's proving why every day. Ashton Jeanty could be the steal of the draft. With Josh Jacobs gone, Jeanty is getting starter reps and making the most of them. Quick cuts, reliable hands, and serious burst. Fantasy GMs, you've been warned.
Bryce Young finally has a go-to target.
Tetairoa McMillan is using his size and body control to dominate red zone drills at Panthers camp. He's already looking like a breakout wide receiver one in the making. Colston Loveland was the top tight end taken, and it's easy to see why. He's getting early chemistry with Caleb Williams and creating mismatch problems all over the field. Chicago might have found their long-term tight end one. Malaki Starks brings elite range to a Ravens secondary that thrives on versatility. His speed, instincts, and leadership are already standing out, and Baltimore coaches love his motor. Jackson Dart might not start week 1, but his arm talent and composure have already drawn attention. With veterans like Russell Wilson and Jameis Winston mentoring him, Dart could develop into the Giants' future starter. This rookie class is loaded with talent, and the competition hasn't even started yet. Whether it's Jeanty's flash, Ward's potential, or Hunter's versatility, the 2025 rookies are giving fans a reason to watch. Which of these rookies are you most excited to see in action? Drop your breakout pick in the comments. And if you want more updates on the 2025 class, hit subscribe now.